In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google Docs and achieve a fresh start by dealing with your version history. This is particularly helpful if you want to streamline your document or simply start anew without keeping the previous version records. First, we'll start by opening the Chrome browser. It's typically found on your desktop or in the Applications folder, depending on your system. Once you've got Chrome up and running, look to the top right corner. That's where you'll find the Sign In option. Click on it to proceed. You'll then be prompted to choose your Google account. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you select the one connected to your Google Docs. After selecting your account, type in your password carefully. Once that's done, click on the next button. This will securely log you into your Google account, granting you access to all the associated features and apps. With your account ready, you'll notice a collection of small squares or a grid icon near your profile picture. Go ahead and click on this icon. This is your gateway to Google's suite of applications. As you scroll down, watch out for the Docs option within this menu. Once you've found it, simply click on the Docs option. This action will take you straight to Google Docs, where all your documents are just a click away. Now, here's something important to note. At the time of creating this video, Google Docs does not offer a direct method to delete the version history of a document. But no worries, there's a straightforward workaround we can use to accomplish essentially the same goal. I'll guide you through it. Begin by opening the document for which you want to clear the version history. You'll find the File option at the top left of the document. Click on File, and from the drop-down menu, you're going to choose Make a Copy. This lets you create a fresh copy of your document. When prompted, name your new document something that you'll remember. This is your clean slate version. After naming your document, click on Make a Copy, and that's it. This new document now stands without any version history attached to it. It's like having a brand new document with all your content intact, but no past edits or changes are recorded, just the clean, polished work you want to present. Remember, this may not delete the history of the original document, but since this new copy is independent, you're free from any previous edit records. I hope you found this guide helpful in that it empowers you to manage your Google Docs experience more efficiently. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to check out our other videos for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.